Hi there, Tony Maynard here at Tony's Insane Bonus Bundle, and today I'm doing a review on Warlord Secrets. Watch how Will makes $348 per day by tapping into a backdoor traffic site with 330 million buyers, and how you can duplicate his exact results within minutes. So what is Warlord Secrets all about? Warlord Secrets is a results-backed method that Will has been using for months. He is leveraging a hidden traffic source called Quora to thousands of views, leads, and sales to all his links. We also have a software inside to automate the whole process. Prices and upsells. Front end Warlord Secrets $12.95. Access the powerful Warlord Secrets software and training products modules. Upsell number 1, Pro version $27, downsell $17. Obtain the exact hashtags that Philip uses to boost 10 times his traffic with no extra effort. Upsell number 2, done for you, $37 and $27 downsell. Steal all of Will's hard work and resources so you don't have to do anything. Upgrade number 3, unlimited traffic, $97, downsell $67. Our sales pages get hit by thousands of buyers every single day. Upsell number 4, traffic mastery, $67, downsell $37. Insane value. This all-in-one soft solution delivers all the traffic anyone could ever need. Everyone needs traffic, and this will convert like fire. Upsell number 5, reseller rights, $97, downsell $47. Get 100% reseller rights to Warlord Secrets. Double your profits by selling Warlord as your own. Made a mistake there, missed a word out, see? Yeah, I could have done something about that too. I could have. Here are some of your key benefits you may be interested in getting. 100% beginner friendly. Get buyer traffic to any link. All-in-one solution. No website, email list, or funnel needed. No further investments. No learning curve. Just copy and paste. Gee, I wish life was that simple, eh? Yeah, I know it's not. That's the thing. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee. I see, so there you go. Bonus number 1. Get Warlord Secrets now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, value $427.95. Access Jono's YouTube ads course, and that's a course called Mobily, so you can get access to that and go through that course, training course, video course, and learn how to do video YouTube ads. Bonus number 2, value $46.95. Build your buyers list while profiting. That's a YouTube video about how to do that. Okay. Bonus 3, value $344.95. How to make an email capture, which is how to make it as an email capture page or opt-in page on your for your buyers before they get their bonuses. That's another yeah, that's what that one's about. That's a video. And bonus number 4 is Get High Ticket Mastery, which is a course about how to sell high ticket items. Okay, and then bonus number 5 which is $1.97, is take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. Yeah, that's right. So when you do that, you click on any of these buttons, you'll be taken to the sales page. You pick up Warlord Secrets, and then you will get an email which will take you to your Warrior Plus account where you can access your purchase, and then below that will be the blue button to access your bonuses. Okay, so let's go to the next thing, with the next page, which is the sales page. Now, just quickly. All right, here we are. Watch how War makes 348 a day. 330 million buyers. Okay, we haven't got the video yet, so that's coming soon. So you know, there's all your all the benefits that I read on this on the bonus page. And it's like it says, see, evergreen commissions, copy and paste system, traffic on tap. See, so there you go. And then you just click here to get instant access, which is, you know, yes, I'm ready to live the laptop lifestyle now, you know. Ah, yes. Aren't we all? And there he is from the desk of Philip Johansson, how to make money online. So we go through this, you know, this page here, just like I've always do, you know. So it's just all the same stuff, you know. Warlord Secrets training program. You're gonna love this. You see, this is over how this miracle backdoor training gives you the exact steps to siphon unlimited amounts of traffic in 5 minutes. And this is the guy who has who done this, Will Weatherly. Right, you can read about him there. There's some proof as usual. Take a look at, you know, yeah, that's right. And then there's the bonuses. Here we go, bonuses for even faster results. Direct access to the backdoor master. Bonus number 2 for training on how to we made 43,000 in 7 days. Bonus number 3, free high ticket training worth $1,997. Bonus number 4, unfair advantage in business and life, custom training. Bonus number 5, instant approval to promote Warlord Secrets. And that's it. Yes, I'm ready to live the lifestyle. Get access here to click here to get instant access for $12.95. That's what it is for the front end. And then you get a 30-day unconditional money back guarantee for if you get in and buy this. This is a unique system, which I'll show you about in the members area. Okay, so there's your value for there. It's valued at. This is what they always show you. Massive opportunity to your success. Yes, and it's $12.95, and there's the guys who are responsible for this. It's Philip Johansson, Dan Kahn, Will Weatherby, and Robin. Okay, so that's the sales page. Now we'll get into the oh yeah, there you go. When you go up to the leave, this is what they'll say. They'll give you a 30% discount on the $12.95. So 30% off that would be what? Oh yeah, well, you know, it brings it down to about, I don't know, $9 or something like that, I suppose. Brings it down to third. So yeah, so that's just off the front end. Okay, it's just for doing that. Okay, so we go to the members area now. Here we are in the members area, and you've got your pro version, you've got your done for you version, unlimited traffic, traffic mastery, and reseller rights. See the dashboard, support, and log out. And this is Warlord Secrets. So welcome, watch this first. So you got a welcome from Philip, right? Philip Johansson, who's one of the guys that put this together. Welcome from Dan. He's another one of the guys that put this together, helped put this together. And you know, you've got your 43,000 in 7 days. It's a case study on how these guys did that. I guess they're going to show you how that's done, how they did that, and yeah, another case study and an overview of this actual system, right? Right, main training. See, because this is about identifying buyer questions. This is about doing this is about doing Quora. So navigation, your search, ninja keyword techniques, additional keyword hacks, what was it? Content generation, staying safe on Quora. See, because that's what it's about. See, it's creating content and answering questions on Quora. Monetization, 3 times your traffic. And this is the thing with this. You see, so that's all that you're going to learn in here. And now the next thing you're going to learn is this. You download the Automate Quora. So, well, what is this? That is an automation tool, software, to help you to create content. So that's what it is, And then you've got your upgrades, which is here, Pro version, done for you, unlimited traffic mastery, and reseller rights. And of course, you've got your search through the course. And that's about the size of that one, So there you have it. It's a short little course. You're not going to have to spend much time to do it. You will learn how to do this. I mean, it's all the traffic is free, and that's what it's based on. You see, and you send your link, the traffic that you get from Quora to your links, which is something that is done by a lot of marketers, but you've got to do it a certain way, because if you don't, they'll block you and they'll delete your comments, because you can't send them directly to your affiliate link. They don't. Quora doesn't like that. So if you do it the way they say, I guess then you will be okay with that. See. So as it says, staying safe with Quora, and that's one of the things you've got to do. Anyway, with that, this is the members area, so you haven't got much to go through to learn, and you can get straight into it and get onto it. Okay, so we'll go back to the bonus page, my bonus page, and we'll go through the bonuses I'm going to give you again. So bonus number 1 is access Jono's YouTube ads course, which is mobily, teach you how to do mobile YouTube ads. Bonus number 2, build your buyers list while profiting, and this is a video about that and how to do that. Bonus number 3, how to make an email capture page, and this is when you send people before you make a capture page to capture their email addresses from the buyers before you give them their bonus, you get their email address. Bonus number 4, value 267, get high ticket mastery, which is learning how to profit from high ticket sales. Okay, and then bonus number 5, 197, take action today, access all vendor bonuses. Okay, and click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. That's right. So you got 5 days, but I wouldn't leave it too long. But anyway, if you do, that is it. That is how it is. Okay, I've already explained to you what will happen when you just click on one of these buttons, and you'll be taken to the sales page. Okay, that's what happens there. Yeah. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. And you can get access to this bonus page, right? Inside the description of this video, which is going to be posted on YouTube. So thank you for staying to the end and checking out my review of Warlord Secrets. Yeah, and just remember just to click on here, to click here, just to secure your copy of Warlord Secrets and your bonuses. Okay, and I'll see you again. And thank you for watching, staying with me till the end. Thank you, and bye now.